Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video we'll see how to add sheets in Excel based on a list of names here and using a very simple macro. So if we select a range here and then we click and run the macro, we will see how it adds as many sheets as in the list or in the range. So let's see how to do that. And everything is in the blog if you want to read about it or see some other videos as well. So let's go to the Visual Basic Editor and let's call it add sheets from range, for example. And this is a very simple, it's just a few lines of code. We're just gonna declare a cell or a range object. We'll call it cell because it's going to be used to loop through each cell, but it could be called anything else. And then we're gonna have a loop for each cell in selection. And selection is an object, is a range object, is whatever we select in the worksheet. Then we're gonna add a sheet with sheets.add after the last sheet in the workbook. To do that, we're gonna get the index of that sheet with sheets.count or worksheets.count if we want to only target the worksheets, not the chart sheets. That will become the active sheet, and then we can do with active sheet dot name, and we'll give the name which is in that cell, so the value in that cell. Now we can just simply go to the next cell, and that's the code. It's very simple, so it's just 2 lines of code inside the loop. So now if we go back to the worksheet and we put here list of sheets, and let's say we're gonna use the same example as before, the days of the week, right? We select the range of names that we want to add. So we will add as many sheets as cells in this range. And then if we run the macro, you see we have got instantly as many sheets as in the list. So that's how we add sheets from a selected range in Excel using VBA macros. Thanks for watching.